Hey, today I'm going to show you how to get more click-through rates on your videos and potentially your blogs by making thumbnails that include your picture. Now you can actually get stock art, copyright-free pictures of other people, but if you want to use your identity, that's a great idea. Let me give you an example of this. I was noticing that as pretty as I was making my thumbnails for YouTube, I wasn't getting a lot of clicks, and I realized that I needed to really use a human face. And I was sitting there scrolling through all of the top videos on YouTube. Okay, human face, human face, human faces, human face, human face, human faces, human face, human face, human face. Look at this, you guys. All of the top videos have human faces. People have figured out that that is what people want. And even if the video's not fancy, I mean, these are in no way fancy graphics, this is what is working on YouTube. Okay? So when I discovered that, I was like, all right, I really need to do something about this. So let's just take exactly what I do. So let's take this video, for example. We're making a video about what app we can use to cut out the background of our pictures. So let's go ahead and use that one. What we do is I go over to Facebook, and I knew someday that all of these selfies were going to come in handy, and I've got a lot of them. So what I do is I scroll down for a picture that I want to use. So this is just purely how to cut out the background. It really could be any picture that I want it to be. I'm going to go with this one. All right, so we take a picture, and I'm going to go to options, and I'm going to download this picture. I'm going to save it to my desktop, and I'm going to go over here to my app, and my app is called Photo Scissors. Photo Scissors. I will put a link in the video to Photo Scissors app. Now I'm on my desktop using this, okay? So let me just let me grab the new picture. So we click on the little arrow to download, and I grab the picture that I want to create. Now I just go up here to this little red dash, and I'm going to say what I don't want to be in the picture. And you do not have to make this perfect. We're just, oops, I hit my leg. That's okay. We're just going to kind of go around it and say, okay, this is what I want, and it's going to kind of give it an idea. Now we take the little green, and we say, all right, really, it starts from here down. And then it kind of guesses. Oh my gosh, it got it really close. Okay, then whatever I don't want in there, take the red, and I just go like this. Oops, wrong side. I just go like this. See, everything outlined in yellow is going to be in the picture. So if I don't want it in the picture, I need to red mark it out. Now it looks like my hand is gone. So I'm going to do the green and say, whoa, no, give me back my hand. Here we go. Okay. And then I'll go back over it and kind of say, all right, let's see here. Got to get that a little bit even. Whoops, took out part of my head. So this is where the learning curve comes in, but I'm going to show you how we can even out the border, and it'll take care of some of that for us in a minute. There we go. Pretty close. Okay, let me take that little part out there. Always my hair that's the biggest issue. All right, I see a little bit right there. Perfect. Right at the tip. All right, once you get it pretty close, I'm going to show you how you can smooth out those borders. Almost where I want to be. There we go. That's pretty darn close. Looks like down here. I wonder if I can... There we go. Perfect. I don't usually like to get fancy. Yeah, I'm not going to do that one. Okay. Looks like part of my phone got cut off there, so just do the little green arrow. See there? All right, and one little piece right there. Perfect. Okay, now I'm going to smooth it out. So you go over here to smooth the boundary, and you give that a number, and it'll kind of smooths it out now. All right, and then also here you can feather it and that'll kind of bring out the softness. See how it's kind of blurred around, and that helps it too when you go to put it on your picture. So pick the spot, how far you want it blurred. Okay, that's good enough. Then we're going to go to click save. I'm going to save that on my desktop, and now I'm going to go over to Canva. I will put a link to Canva in the video below in the description. All right, and we're going to click we're going to do a YouTube video, or you can do a blog banner. Actually, both work, and then I can actually use it for my blog, so I'll oftentimes just do the blog banner. And then I'm going to choose what background I want. So let's just say you want to go with this one. And then let's upload our picture. So I'm going to go over here to Uploads, upload an image, and find where my picture is. Yes. All right, then you just kind of move that in to where it's laying over, and then you put it where you want it. Now, I'm going to change the background to, let me see if this one lets me. Yeah, so you can change the background. All right, it still looks pink to me. We can play with backgrounds, or we can play with elements, images. So I could say, let's see, I want scissors because we're doing cutout, right? So I could find a picture of scissors that I like. In fact, I'm going to do free, so let's do free. You just kind of find the spot where it makes it the background. Hold on. Oh, that looks like Christmas stuff. There it is. And then you can get rid of... Oh, look at this. You know what? Maybe I'll just go with a solid on this one. I haven't done a solid in a while. There we go. Then we can just change this here. How to remove the background on your photo, on photos. Okay, and then I can shrink this in to be not overlapping. And then I can make that bigger text. Almost there. Let's try that. And then we can fix the spacing because those letters look really wide. Bring those in a little. There we go. And then we can space the line height a tad. Good. And then maybe I want to make, oh, there's a little red dot on me. I didn't notice. Right there. Let me reverse these text here. Move me over here. There we go. Get rid of the red dot. Okay. And then let me make the background. Let me try peach, which is my blog color. Oh, I like it. Let me try black. No. Peach is better. I don't like that blue though. Creative process, right? I'm gonna go with blue. Okay, so I'm gonna download JPEG, download, and then now I've got a picture that I can upload to YouTube and to my blog. That is all there is to it. Thanks for joining me today. I'm Lori Ballen. Please subscribe to this channel. Click the little bell to be notified every time I make a video. And I have lots more like this on my channel.